Hello, welcome to the installation guide. This is the front view of the device, and this is the rear view of the device. On the top you can see the clamp to fix to the IV pole. These are the accessories. You have the HMA filter, oxygen hose connector and the adapter. This is the connector for the cylinder. The 12-volt adapter is screwed into the socket. The right of the machine you attach to the HME filter. And this is the setup. This is the setup for the low flow oxygen supply, where you attach two HME filters. And this is the power on off button. Once you switch on the device, this is the first screen. It is the patient selection. You can use the knob to select the appropriate patient and press the knob. And this is the second screen, which shows you the option of therapy mode. You can either use low flow oxygen therapy or high oxygen therapy mode. If you use the high oxygen therapy mode, the machine goes into calibration and starts self-testing. Self-testing takes around 35 seconds, and then it shows the status of all the sensors and valves. This is the starting screen. It's in standby mode. You can start by pressing the big standby start button at the bottom. The setup is very easy. To change the flow, you press the button, flow button, and you can change the flow. So in adult patient, if you select the adult patient mode, the flow is from 10 liters to 80 liters. This is in high flow mode. And oxygen concentration can be changed, FiO2 can be changed with pressing the O2 button, and range from 21 to 100%. And you can select it by pressing the knob. Now the main display shows, on the top it shows the mode in which it's running, and then it shows the flow of total air oxygen mixture and then the gas. On the bottom block you see the set flow and the set oxygen FiO2 percentage. And this standby start button can be used to start or put the machine into standby. Long pressing it for 5 seconds will take you back to the mode selection page, and again if you press it back, you go into the patient selection page. Now in low flow, you attach directly to the cylinder through a normal pipe. Here you can set the desired oxygen percentage and the flow as previously shown you. In this setup, it shows the required oxygen flow which you have to set into a flow meter. Here we are using 21%, the required oxygen flow is 0. Again, by long pressing the button, you can go back to the select mode. In dark, all the three buttons have a blue LED behind them. So even in dark, you can see the buttons. Now this is the alarm screen. If there is oxygen is low, it shows the oxygen alarm screen. To reach, if you press the knob, black knob, it will recheck the oxygen supply, and if you press the standby button, it will try to recalibrate. This is done if the oxygen supply is there but still the machine shows this error. You can use the settings to recalibrate the machine.